Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Narthanga Chutney or Bitter Orange Chutney. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with idlis or dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of Channa Dhal, a teaspoon of Urad Dhal, 4 dried red chillies, few curry leaves and 1 onion chopped. Saute well for few seconds. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped Narthanga or bitter orange. Saute well for 2 minutes in medium flame until the Narthanga is well done. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Then off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It's been 5 minutes and the ingredients are now cool, so transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add quarter teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of water. Grind this to a fine paste. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl like this. Season the Narthanga chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Now our delicious Narthanga chutney is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this Narthanga chutney or bitter orange chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.